Stay away from. Stay away from. To keep a distance from someone or something, to avoid being near or involved. Stay in. Stay in. To remain inside, especially at home. Stay out. Stay out. To remain outside or avoid going into a particular place. Stay up. Stay up. To remain awake and not go to bed, especially later than usual. Stay in touch with. Stay in touch with. To continue to communicate regularly with someone. Set about. Set about. To start doing something, especially with energy or determination. Set aside. Set aside. To reserve or save something for a particular purpose. Set in. Set in. To begin and seem likely to continue, often used for something unpleasant. Set off. Set off. To start a journey, to cause something to happen or explode. Set out. Set out. To begin a journey, to arrange or explain in detail. Set to. Set to. To begin doing something energetically. Set up. Set up. To establish or arrange something, such as a business, system, or device. Set a good example. Set a good example. To behave in a way that others should follow. Start over. Start over. To begin something again from the beginning, often after a mistake. Start back. Start back. To begin returning to a place where one came from. Start in on. Start in on. To begin addressing or working on something with energy, can also imply criticizing someone. Start off. Start off. To begin an activity or journey, often focusing on the initial phase. Start out. Start out. To begin a journey, task, or career path, especially with a particular intention. Start up. Start up. To begin operating something, such as a machine or a business. Start with. Start with. To begin an activity or process by first addressing or handling a particular part. Start for. Start for. To begin a journey to a specific place. Stand against. Stand against. To oppose or resist something or someone. Stand alone. Stand alone. To be by oneself, without support from others. Stand aside. Stand aside. To move out of the way or to allow someone else to take over. Stand away. Stand away. To keep a distance or to move farther away. Stand behind. Stand behind. To support someone or something, often in a dependable way. Stand by. Stand by. To be ready to take action or to support someone. Stand firm. Stand firm. To remain resolute or unwavering in one's position or opinion. Stand for. Stand for. To represent or symbolize something. Stand in. Stand in. To take someone's place temporarily. Stand off. Stand off. To keep distance or to be standoffish. Also, a confrontation without engagement. Stand out. Stand out. To be noticeable or to distinguish oneself. Stand to. Stand to. To prepare oneself, especially in a defensive or alert position. Stand up. Stand up. To rise to a standing position. Also, to remain resilient. Stand up against. Stand up against. To oppose someone or something courageously. Stand up for. Stand up for. To defend or support someone or something. Stand to reason. Stand to reason. To be logical or obvious based on the circumstances. Sit about, around. Sit about, around. To spend time idly without doing anything productive. Sit back. Sit back. To relax or withdraw from active participation. Sit down to. Sit down to. To begin a task or meal, focusing attention on it. Sit in. Sit in. To attend an event or meeting as an observer or participant. Sit up. Sit up. To sit in an upright position. To stay awake later than usual. Turn against. Turn against. To stop being friendly or supportive and start opposing someone or something. Turn around. Turn around. To change direction, or to reverse a situation, often to make it better. Turn aside. Turn aside. To move away or deviate from a path or subject. Turn away. Turn away. To refuse entry or reject someone or something. Turn back. Turn back. To go back to a previous place or condition. Turn down. Turn down. To reject an offer, or to reduce the intensity of something. Turn in. Turn in. To submit something, or to go to bed. Turn off. Turn off. To switch something off, or to cause someone to lose interest. Turn on. Turn on. To switch something on, or to make someone interested or excited. Turn out. Turn out. To end up being a certain way, or to attend an event. Turn over. Turn over. To flip something, or to transfer control. Turn to. Turn to. To go to someone for help or to begin focusing on something new. Turn up. Turn up. To arrive or appear unexpectedly, or to increase the volume. Turn into. Turn into. To change into something different. Turn one's back on. Turn one's back on. To ignore or reject someone in need. Throw about. Throw about. To scatter things in different directions, or to mention casually. Throw away. Throw away. To discard something as waste or to waste an opportunity. Throw back. Throw back. To return something or to remind someone of the past. Throw off. Throw off. To remove or shake off something unwanted or to confuse someone. Throw on. Throw on. To put on clothing quickly without much thought. Throw out. Throw out. To discard something or to eject someone from a place. Throw oneself into. Throw oneself into. To engage in something with great energy and enthusiasm. Throw oneself on. Throw oneself on. To place one's trust or depend entirely on someone, especially in a desperate situation.